Spectrum and spectrum based questions we have done, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, which topic we are going to discuss? Next one, we are going to discuss about the uh, Bohr's theory done. No? Next
Yes,
one,
sir.
De theory and Heisenberg's theory. That only, no? Okay, let's start our session today. Without wasting our time, we will enter. You can see my screen right now. Na?
Yes, sir.
Next topic is de Broglie's theory. ठीक है, de Broglie theory. So, do you have any idea about this de Broglie theory? Okay, acha, sorry. First time you are listening, no? Sorry. So, de Broglie theory, what it says actually, de Broglie theory, which is also called dual nature of matter, मतलब dual behavior of a particle. ठीक है, dual behavior of radiations or dual behavior of particles. Particle. Dual behavior of radiation. So, on this theory, what we are saying that generally, so into that one, before that theory, we have that particles. Hello?
Sir,
Uh,
the particles can move like wave or particles, sir.
acha, let me say no, yeah, my dear.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so dual behavior of particle means what we could say. So, there are certain particles or certain properties of a radiation. Certain properties are explained by considering it is a wave nature, and certain particles are explained by considering those particles as a uh, particle nature.
Sir, how to pronounce the name?
De Broglie, de Broglie.
Debroglie. Okay, sir.
Mm. So from that one we are going to get that. So actually he is saying that so all material particles like all material particles all material particles uh, like electron, proton, neutron, means in other words small particles, okay, uh, possess possess dual character or dual behavior. Possess dual behavior. So dual behavior means what we can say, that is uh, so dual behavior means that is electrical particle nature and wave nature, that is wave nature and particle nature. There are certain experiments are there which confirms wave nature, and certain experiments are there which confirms particle nature also, but as it is not included in our syllabus, we are not going to discuss that topic, okay na? Generally he said that one, the wave which is associated, simply the wave associated with a uh, particle, that means the particle which is having wave, no, that particle is called, the wave associated with the particle is called what we can say, dual nature of, called dual nature. Sorry, dual nature. Na? The wave associated with the particle is called de Broglie wave. De
Sir, all
Broglie wave.
substances possess. Okay.
Only microscopic particles. Microscopic, not macroscopic particles. Okay, na?
Sir, sir,
Ah,
sir, you wrote dual spelling wrong, sir.
what I have written?
Dual you wrote, sir.
GUAL, no?
Yes, sir.
I have written properly, not dual behavior of
No,
particle.
sir. Here possesses dual behavior.
Behavior
Acha,
spelling
acha.
also you wrote wrong, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, BEHA.
What I have written?
BEHA.
Okay, here behavior. Okay. So that called is de Broglie wave. Now, what is that we are going to fit? For example, let me take as we are talking about light. So in case of light, what will have photons? We can say.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is in case of photon. In case of photon. In case of photon. Uh, if it uh, if it is assumed to have if it is assumed to have which behavior we can say uh, wave character then which equation it will represent E equal to h nu, that is Planck's theory. Same way, if photon having particle character particle or particle behavior, then its energy given as a mc square. So as we are talking about the same particle, so the
Yes, sir.
energy must be equal, right? So from this one, what we can say,
Sir, once
from
can you
this
go to
one,
previous slide? 1 minute, sir. Sir, C means speed of light, sir.
yes.
Sir, this is called a theory of relativity, na, sir?
Einstein's theory, that is only theory of relativity.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a
Ah,
doubt.
Sir, in this mass is not constant, na, sir?
not no. In this theory we can't say, but as we are talking about particles, no, like
Yes, sir.
proton, electron, that we are taking, no, so in that case mass remains constant only.
Okay, sir.
Sir, that means uh, you wrote C is equal to speed of light, no, sir.
Mm.
Does the speed of light change from matter to matter?
Array, speed of particle, how it will changes here? Speed of it will remains, no.
Okay, sir.
Sir, the energy also depends on the charge, like positive or negative charge.
Yes, speed it is frequency. Okay, that is h nu, which is equal to mc square. Okay. From this one, we know no c equal to nu lambda. From this one, what we can write, nu can be written as c by lambda, right? Therefore, we can write hc by lambda, which is equal to mc square. Cc gets cancelled. So by rearranging, what we will get, lambda equal to h by mc. So m is what? Mass of the particle, and c is velocity. Mass into velocity is nothing but what? Momentum, no? This we can write h by mv also, no? Because c represents velocity and v represents velocity. Mass into velocity is nothing but what? Momentum, no? Lambda equal to h by. Okay, lambda equal to h by p, we can
Moment.
say. So this is about the de Broglie wavelength and de
Sir?
Broglie equation. We can
Sir, I didn't understand the formulas.
array formula what nana, both are having same energy, so that energy I have made equal, and nu instead of nu I have written c by lambda,
Yes, sir.
and substitution lambda value calculated. So h I kept as it is. M means what, mass, c means velocity, so that
Sir,
way I
how
have written.
Frequency is
Huh?
equal to speed of light by wavelength, sir.
Array yaar, we have written this formula when we have studied. Again you are asking me, so what should I answer here? This relation we have studied very earlier only, no? C equal to nu
C
lambda.
means speed of light only, sir, or speed.
Whenever I am saying C, no, so that means speed of light only.
Okay, sir.
If it is having any different sense, then I will write.
Sir, can you go to the previous slide? Sir, I did not understand how MC square came, sir.
This is if the particle is having, if the any particle having that particle character, no. So this theory was proposed on Einstein's theory. It is theory of relativity. We can say, no.
Yes, sir.
From there only we have taken this equation.
Sir, that means you took E is equal to MC square. You took E is there. That's why you took MC square, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Make it fast, no.
Sir, you wrote photo, sir. Down. In the last point, you wrote
Photon.
Done, sir.
Photon it is. Okay. Now, so in this de Broglie wavelength, okay, he is able to calculate kinetic energy of a particle. Also, he can calculate it. Simply, he can calculate the kinetic energy of a particle. Also, it is a position to we can calculate. For example, just I'm trying to find out the relation between kinetic energy and what we can say lambda. Kinetic energy formula what? Half m square, right?
Yes, sir.
For example, lambda equal to h by mv, right? So from this one, I want to calculate this value. From this one, what we can write? We can be written as h by m lambda, isn't it?
Sir, and are C and V the same, sir?
Yes, generally same terming, no? So that we are taking velocity also we are taking as equal to v. No issue in that. H by lambda, no? So kinetic energy formula, what is that? Kinetic energy equal to half mv
Yes, sir.
square, right? So half into m into, instead of v, what we can write? H by m lambda square we can write.
Yes,
Can
sir.
we write or not?
Yes, sir.
So
No,
that
sir.
means what we can say, half into m into h square upon m square
Lambda square.
lambda square. So gets cancelled. From there, what we have
H
written?
square equal
So
to lambda
k equal to what we have
square
written?
by
Sir, can you go to the previous slide?
Half h square by
By 2m lambda square.
h square by
2m
h
lambda.
square 2m
So
lambda
lambda
square.
square.
Now we are trying to find lambda, no? So the lambda equal to what we can write? Lambda square equal to h square by 2m k. Can we write?
Yes, sir.
Now by taking lambda equal to what? We will take whole root, no?
Yes, sir. So root h square by 2m into k.
That means what we can write? H by under root over 2m into k. Can we write it like this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the de Broglie wavelength and kinetic energy of a particle which is ejecting. Okay, relation.
Sir,
Sir, H means Planck's constant, no, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
sir, why did the root come to the denominator? Sir, it should be up now.
Who is asking?
It is full root.
Ritvik, sir.
Ritvik, huh? You don't have root terms, Nana?
Sir?
Square root over, you can write, no? Mass particle, you know or not?
No, sir.
What we have written, lambda square equal to under root over h square by 2mk we have written, no?
Yes, sir.
So this we can write lambda square. Both side applied root. So root lambda gets cancelled. So lambda equal to this we can write as root h square by root over 2mka.
Okay, sir.
Square root gets cancelled. Therefore lambda equal to h by under root of 2mka only, no?
Sir,
That one I have written, no? Understood, Ritvik?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, somebody called me, sir.
sir, I am Shashank, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, P means momentum, sir.
P means momentum.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir,
normal
can we
moment.
go to the previous slide?
Normal
Sir,
momentum
P.
only. Angular momentum we will write MVR. Okay?
Okay, sir. If you write only MV specially, then it's angular, sir.
MVR.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Sir, can you explain how lambda is equal to h by mv?
Yeah. That one I had written no mass into c means what? C means velocity, no? That velocity only I have taken in terms of V.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay?
Understood. Thank you, sir.
This is Debroglie theory. So from this one, let me solve one question on this. So which type
1
of
minute,
question?
sir. Sir, can you show the previous slide?
Please make it fast. Done?
Done, sir.
Question చూడమ్మా. Calculate the wavelength associated with మమ్మీ కాదు తెప్పించమన్నా associated with మెల్లిగా an electron. What is mass of electron? Calculate this, how to solve? Done, students?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Calculating.
Sir, the answer is 0.725 into 10 power minus 11 meter.
Units, Nana, units. Nana, units need.
Meters, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'm doing. Sir, shall we write units also?
Units only important, no?
Sir, we have to do Planck's constant divided by mass into
Therefore, what
mass.
we can say, lambda equal to h upon m into v, right? So lambda is asking h value how much generally? 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second, right?
Yes.
Upon mass value how much? Joule second means what? Kg, 1 joule equal to kg meter square per second, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't know. 1 joule equal to how much?
Sir,
Units, Nana?
0.725 into 10 power minus 11 meters, sir.
So kg meter.
Kg meter
Yes,
square,
sir.
right? Kg meter square, no? Therefore, this joule can be written as a kg into meter square. Kg into meter square into second, as it is we will get. By mass, how much
kg
it is?
meter into second, sir. Kg and meter can kg meter second can cancel and m is left. Meters, sir. Meters.
Meters only, sir.
Which one?
Wavelength
Actually,
unit, sir.
in the unit.
Units, you are saying that.
Sir, the answer is 0.725 into 10 power minus 6, sir. I got minus 6.
Meters, no?
Yes, sir. Meters only, sir.
Minus 31 kg into second value, how much it is? Velocity of light, no? 10 power
10
of
power
3
3, sir.
Sir,
meters
you wrote 3 kg, sir, minus 3 kg.
minus 31, okay. So kg gets cancelled, meter, second inverse gets cancelled. So this value will be how much? It will be 6.625 upon 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 34 upon minus 31 into twice. Matlab how much it will be? Minus how much? 27, 28. So this value will be how much? 6.625 upon 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 6, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
6.6 upon 9.1, what is the value? This
Sir,
value,
I
how much
have
you
a
got?
doubt.
0.725,
Yes, sir.
0.75.
0.728.
Okay, 10 to the power of 6 meters. This is lambda. Okay,
Sir, I have one doubt.
tell me.
Sir, in the third line, 6.625 by 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 34 by how it came as a 10 to the power minus 28, sir?
10
From
power of minus
minus 3.
31 into 10 power of 3, what is the value?
It's 31, sir.
31 into 10 power of 3, total together how much it is?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
So 1 minute, sir. Just writing 1 minute.
Sir,
tell me, Nana.
Sir, can you give another question of the same example?
Yes, I will give you.
Okay, sir.
We will solve one more question because this type of questions are important. That's the reason I'm giving. Okay. Same model question should I give or okay? Do it. What will happen? Nothing will happen.
Sir, can you give that kinetic energy one?
I will. That I will tell you. The mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. If its kinetic energy is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 25 joules, calculate wavelength. Do this question.
Sir, is it 3 into 10 power minus 25, sir?
Yes.
The number.
Answer you are saying?
Number, sir, on the.
3 into 10 power of minus 25 only.
Sir? Sir, I got the answer as 8.96 into 10 power minus 7 meters.
Let's verify Nana with any other kid got same answer. We'll see. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. I'm doing 1 minute.
ಹೌದು.
Sir, I got 8.03 into 10 power minus 13, sir. Meters.
Minus 13.
Sir, or 0.803 into 10 power minus 12 meters.
Okay.
Sir?
No, 1 second, Nana. Right, let's try. Okay. So as it is, what we can say
1
lambda
minute,
equal
sir.
to
Sir, please, sir, 1 minute.
h or 2mka, right? Lambda equal to h value how much? Joules, no? 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second by mass how much? 10 to the power of minus 31
73 into 10 power minus 25.
25, no? This value will be how much? 2 3 how much? 2 9 let 9.1 let me take is 9. Okay. 18 3 54, right?
So approximate 7.4, sir.
54 into 10 to the power of minus 31, 21
Sir,
minus 6,
56.
right? Sorry. 56 it will become, no?
Yes, sir.
56 into 10 power of minus 34. So bottom will have under root, right? So 54 means how much it is? Nearly 7.8 point.
7.4, sir.
Huh?
7.4.
62 upon 7.4 into 56 means minus 28 into 10 power of minus 34. So lambda equal to 6.625 by 7.4 value ఎంత అవుతుందమ్మా?
Sir, 7.4 square is 54, sir.
Nearly around.
Yes, sir, it is -6.
It will come 6.62 upon 7.4, no? Tell me how much we are getting.
0.89.
0.89 into 10 to the
Five,
power
sir.
of
To 10
minus
power -6.
6. This we can write as 8.9 around into 10 to the power of minus 7. Units will be joules, no? So it will be in terms of meters we are going to get. Okay, na?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me, Nana.
Sir, in the left part last, how did we get in the denominator's place 7.4, sir, from 54?
Root 54 unit square root is 7.4 nearly.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I got 8.96 into 10 power minus 7.
Okay. 8.9 or 8.96, no issue, Nana. Okay, na? వద్దు. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ చేద్దాం. చేయండి ఏ క్వశ్చన్ మీరు చేయండి, చూద్దాం ఎంతవరకు చేయగలరు.
Sir, once can you go to previous slide?
నాకు కావాలి.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir, completed.
Solve this question, Nana.
Sir, can you show the previous slide once?
So two particles A and B are in motion if lambda of A is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 8 meters. Calculate lambda of B if its momentum is half of A. Try to do this. Let's see how you can solve this question.
Sir, can you say the relation between lambda and momentum?
Already I had given.
Sir, 10 power minus 7 meters.
10 power of?
Minus 7 meters, sir.
Who is?
Girish.
Okay, let's see any answers we are going to get.
Sir, 10 power minus 7 meters, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, we should use H by wavelength formula, no, sir.
Sir, I also got 10 power minus 7 meters.
Very good. Momentum given, no? Momentum, if you're why we will use lambda equal to h by p?
Sir, I got 10 power minus 7 meter.
The same answer.
So lambda equal to h by p, right? So let's take two
Sir, that
particles.
means momentum is equal to h by lambda.
Yeah. Momentum equal to h by lambda, we can say. But take this formula only. As he is asking two particles, no? Let me take lambda a and lambda b. So lambda a will be how much? H by p by a upon lambda b equal to h upon p by b. As p is what? Constant, no? Sorry, h is constant. So what we can write? Lambda a upon lambda b equal to momentum of b by momentum of a.
A.
And he has given momentum of b is half of a. That means what?
Sir, half PB equals to half PA.
Pb equal to half of pa. This is given, no? Therefore, what we can write? Lambda a upon lambda b, and lambda value also already given. What is lambda a value? 5 into 10 power of minus 8 upon lambda b is equal to pb upon
So 10 into 10 power minus 8.
pa can be written as what? 2 times of pb, no? We can write like this.
Sir, why not TB by 2 PB, sir?
Instead of pa, I have written 2 times of pb, no?
No, sir, in numerator I'm telling.
You can write like this also, no objection in that. Okay, na?
Okay.
Therefore, lambda b equal to what? 10 into 10 power of minus 8. That means lambda b equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 meters. Understood?
Sir, I did not understand, sir.
Who is that? Sasank?
Yes, sir.
And a lambda equal to h by p formula we have, right? So two particles I have taken A and B, and I am taking their ratio simply for my easiness. Ratios, if you are taking easily, we can solve, no? That only I did, nothing else. One more question I am giving. Solve this.
Sir, can you explain once again, sir?
See, Nana. So,
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Mm.
Sir, can you explain once again the second half?
nothing. So, second of what given? PB equal to half of PB given, no?
Yes, sir.
Momentum of B. So,
Yes,
from
sir.
there, PA value I have written this. Now, see from
Yes,
this
sir.
equation, lambda A value how much? 5 into 10 power of minus
5
8.
into 10 power minus 8.
Given this value. And lambda
Yes,
B I
sir.
kept. PB value I kept as it is.
Yes, sir.
And PA value will be what? 2 PB, no?
2 PB.
From there, lambda B, I
Yes,
did
sir.
cross multiplication, I got answer.
Yes, sir. I understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next one. Kinetic energy of a particle is 5.85 into 10 to the power of minus 25 joules. Calculate frequency. Calculate frequency of the wave. How to do this?
Yes, sir. Sir,
So first we have to find lambda value, sir.
Once we got lambda,
Then a
Then we will apply
frequency.
h nu, sir.
lambda equal to h nu, how it will be? Lambda and energy, how you can make equal? What is
yes,
the
sir.
frequency,
Lambda is
no?
equal to h by mv, sir.
Sir, first we had to find lambda, sir. H by square root of 2m ke.
From after lambda, frequency, how you will calculate?
Sir, we can calculate by using speed of light and lambda. If we use, we can get frequency.
Very good. So first formula, what you need to do? Lambda equal to under root over h by 2m ke. Use this formula. So as kinetic energy given, mass of the particle, you don't know, no?
Yes.
Mass of the particle, do you have?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then how you will calculate? Your approach is correct. Okay. So 2m k I will use, sir. From that lambda I will calculate, and as I know c equal to nu lambda, from there I will calculate frequency. I can calculate. But you don't know mass, right? Agar if he has given mass, so you can apply directly. Then how we will do?
Sir, is it anything in derivation, sir?
So simply I am going to do this here. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now see, what is Debroglie equation? Lambda equal to h by mv, right?
Yes, sir.
And we know c equal to nu lambda. From there, nu equal to what? Lambda by c. C can also be written as v, no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, what we can write? Lambda equal to, sorry, frequency is equal to lambda by c. C is nothing but v, right? Yes or no? And lambda
Yes, sir.
can be written as what here? C is equal to v I am taking. Nu equal to lambda can be written as what? H by mv, no?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Let me complete here. Therefore, nu equal to what we can write? H by mv square, no?
Yes, sir.
Am I written correctly, or something I have written
Sir,
wrongly?
no, sir. Correct.
Lambda equal to h by mv, and nu equal to nu equal to c lambda, na? Formula we have applied wrongly, no? You are also not correcting here. Nu equal to c lambda, right? From this one, nu equal to c lambda, or c equal to nu lambda? What is the
V is
formula?
equal to nu lambda, sir.
C equal to nu
C is
lambda,
equal
right?
to nu lambda, sir. Yes, sir.
Therefore,
Lambda is equal to lambda. Sorry,
c
sir.
by
Nu is
lambda,
equal to
no?
lambda by c.
Therefore,
Yes,
lambda
sir.
equal to what we can write from this one? Lambda can be written as c is nothing but what? V, no? V by
Yes,
lambda
sir.
we can.
Sir, not lambda, sir.
Huh?
Frequency written. Yes, sir.
frequency nu equal to V by, what is lambda?
H by
H by mv. So
MV
from this one,
square
what
by
we can write?
H.
Mv square upon
H.
multiply and divide with 2.
Sir, mass
We can
is
do no.
not known, sir.
That only I am doing, no. We can do like this, right?
Yes, sir.
And a half mv square is nothing but what? Kinetic energy. We can do like this, no?
Yes, sir.
Kinetic energy already given. 5.85 into 10 to the power of minus 25. And H also we know. 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 2. Do it. Answer you will get 5.85 into 2 means how much it will be?
Sir, sir, it will be 10 power 9, sir.
9. Eh?
Sir, divide 11.
This is nearly
Yes.
1, no?
Yes, sir.
5.8 upon 6.625,
Sir,
nearly 1, right?
Sir, nearly 1.
So answer will be nearly 2 into 10 to the power
9,
of
sir.
Sir,
Uh,
9, sir.
9 we will get. Okay,
Point
nearly, not exactly. Okay, na?
Sir, why you kept 3 is equal to, sir? Why you kept the 3 lines, sir?
Similar,
Okay.
similar symbol,
Approximate.
approximately.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, students. Tomorrow we will meet again. Tomorrow Heisenberg's principle we will discuss. Then after we can close the topic. Okay.
Structure of atoms,
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good night,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.